Having trouble with error code 0x83200200 on your PlayStation portal? Don't worry, let's break it down. This error is basically a connectivity issue that stops your PS5 from streaming to your portal. Think of it like a weak Wi-Fi signal, but more specific to how your PlayStation devices talk to each other. This often shows up as remote play connection failed or just system error. It's frustrating, but definitely fixable. The main causes include an unstable internet connection with high latency or packet loss, outdated software on either your PS5 or portal, or sometimes just a hiccup in Sony's servers. So the error isn't about a broken portal, but more about the stream between your PS5 and portal not being good enough. Key takeaway: it's frustrating, but definitely fixable. All right, let's get this fixed. First, the simple stuff. Restart both your PlayStation Portal and your PS5. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, make sure both devices are updated to the latest firmware. Sony released version 5.1.0 in March 2025, which helps a lot with this issue. Check for updates in the settings menu. Check your internet connection. A minimum of 10 Mbps upload speed from your PS5's location and 5 Mbps download speed on the portal is recommended. Run a speed test to verify. Try connecting your PS5 directly to your router with an Ethernet cable to minimize lag. This often resolves connectivity issues. Head over to status.playstation.com to see if there are any known server outages. This can help identify if the issue is on Sony's end. Look into your router settings and make sure UPnP is enabled. This allows devices to communicate properly on your network. For advanced users, a VPN can sometimes bypass ISP throttling that might be causing the issue. If all else fails, reach out to Sony support for personalized help. Remember, most of the time, the fix is just a quick reboot or a network tweak away. Good luck and happy gaming.